we're just about to leave campsite. We're gonna go. I was watching last night. There's obviously a way to Brockenhurst through the woods here, so I thought we'd cycle that way as well. Even though we're not, don't really need to go to Brockenhurst. I thought we'd just have a little look and see. Let's get through this gate. Come on, you spring neck on me. That's it. Right. Let's see if we can get on the bike. Right, let's turn you around before we set off. So, never been this way, so could be interesting. Oh. We're heading home today. There's nowhere else that I need to go or want to go. Well, could go up to Salisbury, I suppose, but don't really see the point. Oh yeah, there was a peaceful night. I didn't hear any deer. Well, we never saw them when we came in yesterday, so it does make me wonder whether they're not there at the moment. Maybe they go somewhere else in the winter. Great. Double gates. Right, let's turn you off for a minute. That's all pleasant through here. I was wondering about the river Lymington, is it, or the Lim? Not too sure. But yeah, there's a bridge over it. Very nice with all these the colour of the trees. I'm going to stop and just take a few photos. Well, we're still on this little route. Oh, there are. Say, I've not seen any ponies, but I can see them all out there. I could hear them. I say, I just couldn't see them. Yeah, as I say, I think we're just going to head home today. Don't really see any point in going anywhere else. Well, the only place I know of is the Isle of Wight, and well, I don't particularly fancy going back there. We went there the other day. If the campsite at Brighstone was open, I probably would be tempted to go, but seeing as that one's closed now, and yeah, there's not a lot of point in it. Right, I suppose I better stop. Oh, there's another gate coming up. Right, oh, I can see Brockenhurst already. I can see loads of cars anyway. Oh, it's another campsite. Must be the camping and caravan club site. I can't think what it's called. No Hill or something. I don't know. Right. Let's put you away. Right. Oh, and we're back on the road anyway now. Oh, bloody up. Damn handy Right, stop and put you away. I think we came a bit of a long way round to get to Brockenhurst, but it's fine, doesn't matter. We're not in any rush. Might even stop at the at Baker's and get some rolls for later. Actually, I'll turn you around while we're, because we'll go in. Hold on. That's it. We'll go into the Brockenhurst High Street over that ford that we came in on yesterday. We came in the opposite end of town. I think we're going to cycle home via Bewley. I think we'll go through the forest this week. Could cycle down to Lymington and go through the forest that way, but can't be bothered. Morning. Oh, look, spooky house. Ooh. That's it. See, we came in the opposite way yesterday. Give those tyres a wash. Let's get on that main road quickly. I think the railway gates must be down. Bloody hell. Because, yeah, there's no traffic. Get up. We'll turn right just by the Balmer Lawn. As I say, that route we just certainly wasn't any shorter, but then that's probably because we've been prattling around so much. 8 o'clock nearly and we've still not left Brockenhurst. Blimey. As I say, we're only going home, so it doesn't matter what time we get back. Look at the colour of the trees. They've really changed in a week, 2 weeks, is it? Oh, yeah, I forgot to mention, when we was packing up this morning, I got talking to a couple who were in the tent opposite me. I saw they had the RAC out yesterday, and I heard him say that, what did he say? Human error, we're not responsible, or something like that. I asked them this morning what the problem was. The bloke only put water in where the oil goes in the engine, and then to make things worse, the woman started it. God, blimey. Well, hopefully they'll get it sorted out and it won't be too expensive, or a new engine. I think that sun might be coming out today. It's sort of, there's patches of blue sky around. Could be good, because I don't think we've really had any sun. No, we haven't. No, we've not had any sun. Yeah, behind me it's quite blue. Looks quite barren now, the New Forest. Now everything sort of died back a bit. So much for that sun coming out. It's gone completely. I can't see any blue sky at all now. As long as it doesn't rain, I don't care. It's actually been really still for the last, well, since we've been away. There's hardly been any wind at all. Been ideal for cycling, really. Come along, Daisy. Oh, I knew you could do that. Well, I'll say what I always say when we get here. Goodbye, New Forest. See you soon, hopefully. Oh, come on, last one. That's interesting. I've just spotted a campsite. It's a camping and caravan club members only site. But they take tents and they're open all year. That's handy to know. Bear that one in mind. Just seen a sign, I think, saying that the Queen Mary 2 is in port. I don't suppose we'll be able to get a picture of it, but we'll see. That's one of the really nice looking, like a cruise ship should look like, I think. Guess where we've ended up. We're on the Isle of Wight. I saw the ferry just pulling in as we arrived in Southampton, so I thought, why not? So yeah, we jumped on it. Yeah, we'll go to Grange Farm again for the night. Don't need much of an excuse to stay up for another night. Just waiting for this floating bridge thing to come across now, which surprisingly is running. I did read somewhere that they're going to scrap it because it keeps breaking down so much, and they're going to get a new one. That red funnel ferry, that's quite a bit cheaper than the White Link ferry. I think it's about £3 or £4. So we're going to head into Newport on this Red Squirrel Trail, and I think we'll just pick up the main road from there, and then just cycle directly to the campsite. I did notice while I was on the ferry, I found another site. Well, I found two. They're those camping and caravan club sites, not official, well, I don't know what they call them, affiliated or something. So, thank you. Affiliated or something like that. Yeah, I found two on the island. I think one was open all year, if I remember rightly. They take tents, and they have toilets, but they have no showers. The other one, if I remember rightly, closes at the end of November, but they have toilets and showers. So, well, I know I said I'm going to Grange Farm. I might ring, because annoyingly you have to ring first, which there's no real hardship, but I might ring and see if the one I think it's near Ryde, if I remember rightly. I'd have to have another look. Then we could follow this Red Squirrel Trail again, all the way across. I might have to, yeah, I might, or I'll have a think. I've got until we get to Newport to decide, which is a few miles. Although I sort of thought I was going to Grange Farm. I was thinking I could get fish and chips from that van thing that they have there, which I had the other night, and well, I thoroughly enjoyed them. We have decided to go to Grange Farm. I've got those fish and chips in my head. Although we had a full cooked breakfast on the ferry, so we don't really need them, but hey ho, we all know I'm rather partial to my fish and chips. Yeah, I might leave that other campsite to later in the month, perhaps. Give me an excuse to come over here, or I might even go there tomorrow. Yeah, I shall see. I should really have stopped to see my mate Malcolm. But, well, it's 20 past 1 now, and by the time we get to site, it'll probably be a good hour and a half, so that'll be 3. And well, I mean, the outer tent is wet. I mean, I do pack away the inner tent separately, so it's not as wet, but yeah, everything just gets so damp at this time of year, so the earlier you can set up camp, the better, really. Give it all a chance to dry out. Of course, we got this long old drag up Shorwell Hill. I'm not too sure which is better, this way or coming the other way, although the other way is rather steep. I never know whether that 12% is this way or going down the other way. I think it's the other way, to be honest, because it's a lot steeper the other way. Hang on, nearly there. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah, it's definitely 12% this way. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, we made it though. Oh. drained. Oh, come on. Yo. Well, I was going to pitch where I pitched the tent whenever it was the other day. I suddenly realised there's blooming pigs making snoring all night. So we've come down the bottom of the campsite more, nearer the cliff. Perhaps I'll take you for a little wander a bit later, but I'm literally just... Oh, wrong one, a minute. Over there. Right, let's get on and put this tent up. Right, well, we're all set up, as you can see. 38 miles today. It gets less and less each day, but hey ho, it's all fine. Yeah, we've had a shower. I shall go and get supper from you can see the van up there. I shall go and get some fish and chips from there soon. Oh, actually, let's show you where. Oh God, how close we are. Yeah, as I say, I come down this end because of the blooming snoring pig. I was talking to David, the owner, a while ago, and he says it does tend to make quite a bit of noise. So it wasn't me. But yeah, it's quite quiet on camp, which is good, just the way we like it. Yeah, and well, there's the cliff. But you can't really see it at this point. Yeah. There you go. But I think I showed you the view the other day anyway. So, yeah. So, well, I think we'll definitely be going home tomorrow, but well, maybe we'll see in the morning how we feel, but I think we will. Annoyingly, it's going to be a northeasterly wind, which, well, that'll be against us, but hopefully it's not. Well, I don't think it's that bad, but it's just annoying because it's been so still over the last week or so, but hey, I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, I shall go and get my supper, and well, I shall speak to you all in the morning. Goodbye.